Hey everybody, welcome to the 3D Experience Lab, one of my favorite places in the whole world. It's where we get to bring to life amazing projects like our magic wheelchair costumes and be around other remarkable makers.
The lab is spacious and flexible. There's surfaces to work on, tools for making, and a space to lounge. Every year we get to reimagine the layout and functionality. This year we're inviting you to help us with our Fab Lab rehab.
That's why on April 25th, we're going to have a live Discord session where we can all hang out and dream up ideas for making this the best Fab Lab on the planet.
We need better material storage for our laser cutting area.
We need to figure out how to contain all of our dust making equipment. I'm thinking we build a room within the room.
We need to make our resin printing area safer.
And our mobile workbenches more functional.
We have lots of ideas and we can't wait to hear what you think.
And of course, whatever we design, we're going to make it right here in the lab and share free plans with the entire maker community so everyone can benefit. We're really excited about this.
So come join our live Discord session, Let's Talk Shop, on April 25th at noon Eastern Time in the US.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you on our next Make.